Hi friends, I am going to tell you the story of difficult but very interesting journey to visit our Dravidian Brahui tribes in the deep mountainous areas of Balochistan, Pakistan. Friends, this is Sikandar Brahui, a Dravidian Brahui from Pakistan. After the onslaught of the Aryans, Brahis were probably the only Dravidian tribes of Indus civilization who, instead of migrating to the distant regions of Asia, took to the mountains of western peripheral region of Indus Valley, nowadays called as Balochistan. The majority of the Dravidian Brahvis still live in those rugged mountains, although a large number of Brahvis also live in the urban settlements of the central Balochistan and different districts of Sindh province of Pakistan. Recently, I, along with my wife and two other relatives, embarked on the journey of visiting our close relatives living in the deep mountains of Balochistan. As there was no road access to that particular mountainous region in the Khuzdar district of Balochistan, we decided to start that journey by bikes. In the first place, the path leading to those mountains seemed to be okay for bikes. However, soon realization dawned upon us that even traveling by bikes was challenging and near to impossible. Soon the path became so difficult that we were unable to continue pillion ride on our bikes and asked our fellow travelers to walk on their feet as we continued to practically drag our bikes.
हमारे अंदर का सर
Dasa nanteran ka na mafuz mare. Hicho ka sar sa bawa, hicho ka sar sa te daringati e mashku dare. Allah. Mama pe ghanta set sar mada ghanta. Ghanta khalko no. After traveling for some distance in the mountainous area, we became too tired and decided to take a break. As the fear of approaching night, losing our track in the dead of night, and possible attacks of dangerous wild animals loomed large on our heads, we decided to end our break and move ahead with our journey. أنت हमो तब लगाने हो खदा आओ
خيالك خيالك أمو يبار أنت جاك سري
يبار أري جاكر
ها
يبار أري جاكر
نا أمونا إيرا كسروتنا لا لا هو خلي أموك هذا هو أمون هو ماذا 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 ده سيد سيد ها ها ماذا 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 ماذا
أران بريا
أمين ترى مونا إمبو إيه كسراري مونا مونا
After having traveled some distance, it transpired that now it's impossible to even drag our bikes on this difficult terrain. So we had to leave our bikes in the mountains and travel on foot to our destination. और दास हन्ना मोटरसाइकिल आती हन्नाड़ी सलीफे ना संभालन बेहतर खाना और इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह खैर करो मंजूर कना वाले खलको रे अंत दा वबा पेट्रोल आती ता बंद कर रे जेबानन दांकु कुनेना మాలతో దాక్కునేనా ఓ హే ఓ హే
సేవనల్ దాక్కునేనా దాడినల్ దాక్కునేనా మాలతో దాక్కునేనా మషితేతినల్ దాక్కునేనా వక్తకి దాక్కునేనా ఓ హే
There was another shock. The drinking water we had taken had finished, and we started feeling thirsty. However, there was no sign of a drop of water, and the only way to survive was to move ahead and only hope for any water source in these bare mountains. We were lucky as we found a small water source. It was the only water source for humans as well as animals in the area, and one can easily judge the water quality of that tiny water source.
वाह
अरे हमारे जितना गंदा सस्ती का ऐसा कुछ होना ना मुझे मामा जड़ी बूटी ना गप्पे करेंगे हेठता मेलता जड़ी बूटी ज्यादा लगा की मर के बाबा दाटी दा सदा जड़ी बूटी मरो या हेठता मेलता जड़ी बूटी मरो. Having quenched our thirst, we moved ahead. Right, Sangadak, Mama Pike das agidang pu. Aningira. Ay. Tasi. And found some interesting inscriptions on these stones. Our elder fellow was guiding us about the stone inscriptions as well as the wild plants of this mountainous region. No, he just bas khabar afke na digan utu fa acha na chuna si hana ya chuna fatma se shikar karena asi mama oh mama ई ज़हीर करन खुजदार टिकने वापस दा मामा इल्ले कने इल्ले वो कने हाय मामा का हाँ पट्टे यहाँ था असिटेरेट पट्टे कुनीन ता गुड़ा होरिन तामर हाँ दादी अनपार मामा. As the sun started setting, our fears of being lost in these mountains increased. However, soon all these fears changed in a happy mood as we saw the remote huts of our Bravi relatives. Thank God we safely reached our destination. Our relatives were happy to receive us, and being hospitable, they spread cultural beds for our seating and soon. मामा दासा बस वणी सकने मालो दसरा वणते हुए सकने दसरा पावसुल मामा देख देख नने ये गुम के एक जगह से नने अल्लाह we were served with traditional Bravi food. The next day, we visited the nearby areas, watched Bravi Gidans, the traditional homes of mountainous Bravis, and had an interesting experience of milking the goats of our Bravi hosts. Dara hiti amar dadiant para hitiant para dadi para dadi morak baddi
मशहतिया लड़ी चाय लतिया से बचाए लतिया ओ लीको है लीको की लीको खलेवा से बाली को खलेवा
गिदान ना बिरावी ता जिंदगी टी भल्लो दखलसी गिदान ते टी रहानो भलो दा सहिनिंग टी उंदा गिदान ना तैडी बाबू का कान बोल अस्सलाम वालेकुम ताले
जी दादी गिदान फाल ख्वाजा
अच्छा दा अंद दा चुनक की नजी मामा दा दिन पर
दादी फाल मंज दा माशरी ना
ठीक है
दादी फाल दा चिट्टी दा थफिर दादी फाल चूड़ी
दा चूड़ी
दा मंजी
सही
दा हनु दा साइडा दा मुझे फाल दा खलेरा दा गिदाने भी ठेक दा ना शिक दादी फाल
अच्छा
दादी मना दा थोड़ी का करना दा गिदाने दा फैजदरी दा थोड़ी का शिकर थोड़ी
दा शिक पारा
शिक पाला शिकर थोड़ी
ठीक ठीक Friends, thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Hope to bring to you another interesting video about the Dravidian Biravis of Pakistan.